90% off summer clearance on toys and swim and summer stuff over at Rite. Sandals between 39 cents and $1.30. Sand toys at $1.49, normally $15. All the kids' swim stuff is included. Look at this. This is normally $7, now just 69 cents. Toddler swim floaties, normally $30, now just $2.99. Water bottles, $1.29 to $1.49. Popsicle mold, just 19 cents. 19 cents! Silicone straws, just 79 cents for this whole set. Mini food containers, 20 cents. Bath sponges, 20 cents, normally $2. Drink holder floaties, 20 cents. And these berry baskets are also 20 cents, normally $2. All the gardening stuff are also 90% off and is part of the summer clearance, and there are so many options. Look at these gardening tools, $1.49. And there's cute candle holders starting at 49 cents. Outdoor gardening decor, look at that Disney one. This is only $1.49. Different wind chime between $1 to $1.29 to $1.49. More cute candle holders for just 49 cents. Baby swim diapers, $1.99, normally $20. Goggles, 59 cents for two.